Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we will be making upside down peach cake. Peach cake, upside down. We got these luscious peaches on one of our recent trips to Georgia. And what better way to make peach cake?
Makes your taste buds come alive.
The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below, as always and as usual. If you guys did not know already, we do have a Facebook group called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And what is really exciting at the Little House of Beans, we are reaching 3,000 subscribers. Yes, 3,000 subscribers. I know, tiny little channel, but you are helping us grow. So thank you very much for that. And when we do reach 3,000 subscribers, we are doing an Omnia giveaway. So we're almost there. Click that like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. We can reach that 3,000 and we can do a great giveaway.
Let's cook. Should we cook? I would love some peach cake if we could just say, let's cook.
I'm ready to make this upside down peach cake. Let's cook.
Oh, this is fantastic. It's like the Aurora Borealis.